Hi there, Steve here. In this video, I want to talk about how you can make money by actually giving stuff away for free. You know, Gmail, it took them just over 3 years to become the planet's most popular email service. And it did this really by giving a gigabyte of storage away for free. Google, directly from Gmail, makes billions of dollars per quarter as a result. So look, free works. So how can you use this in your business? Well, free reports still work, and they work so well. So as an example, look, I know someone who packages up 10 free reports into a bundle, and each report has a killer headline with a benefit and lots of curiosity in there, and he offers this bundle absolutely everywhere. And one of his favorite things to do is to get his free offer bundle placed on the download pages of products by offering to promote those products to his list. So what product seller is going to say no to that offer? Of course, he carefully chooses the products that he knows his list will love, and that way he's always building a list of buyers and not just tire kickers. So look, you might think that promising to promote so many products would burn out his lists, but he's really careful. He's got big lists, and he seldom promotes a product to all of his lists. Instead, what he does is he promotes a particular product to the lists he knows that will be interested in those. So he actually segments up all of his lists, and this way he promotes traffic products to people interested in traffic, and blogging products to people who purchase blogging products, and so forth. And he continues to write free reports and sends them out to his lists for free with no sign up required. And as you can imagine, his subscribers absolutely love this. He gets more email opens because of it, and when he promotes a new product of his own, sales are absolutely fantastic. So free works. If you've ever been in a store where they're giving out samples, well, sales for those products shoot up dramatically. And have you ever seen a new dentist offer free exams or x-rays? In 6 months' time, they have a full load of patients. So think about how you can use freebies to create stellar impressions and lifelong customers. Free is still as powerful as when Google launched Gmail. You just have to figure out how to make it work for your business. Okay, so I'll leave you with that thought, and I hope that was useful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.